Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. If you are new here, in today's video I'm going to be doing this look, just a graphic wings liner, kind of a nod to the 60s with a little bit of a twist. So if you would like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. The liner that I'm going to be using is called Nebula from NYX Cosmetics. And at first, I'm just going to sharpen it because it's not sharpened. I can't even get the whole plastic off. First thing I'm gonna do is throw that all under here, and I'm gonna create a pretty thick line, like I usually do. So you got that. Now I'm gonna go on the inner membrane and fill that all in. You wanna make sure that that's pretty opaque in there. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer because I think this is a waterproof pencil, but it'll get there. And I also fill in underneath the lashes in that inner membrane as well, because you want it to be nice and dark all the way around. Take a step back because you want the points to be as close as possible. And I'm starting, I don't want to start like right at the outer corner. I want to start where I already laid down the beginning of that liner. And I'm going to pull up and out towards my brow. And I'm going to check and see if that is in any way close to the other side. It's pretty close. You can always go back in and zhuzh it, but make sure that that's nice and opaque and consistent. Now, starting from that outer corner, I'm going to dip down a little bit, and then I'm going to pull it back up and into my crease. This eye is always a bit brighter just on me, so I have to overcompensate and go a little bit higher on this eye so that when I'm resting, it looks more the same. I'm not worrying so much about making it absolutely perfect just yet because I'm going to go in and clean up with a Q-tip. So just make sure you're getting that opacity and that you're getting basically a similar shape and they're going in a similar direction. Yeah, close enough. You can go in with a makeup remover. I just use Spit. And I want to just clean up that line a little bit. Just a little bit. And I noticed that on this eye, I don't have it coming so far over, so I'm just gonna erase that. So I go to about almost where the end of your iris is. Yeah, no one's gonna notice. And then in the comments, that's all I hear. Now, for the top liner, I don't wanna go all the way back to where I created the wing. I'm gonna go maybe like a quarter of an inch down. I'm making it a little bit thicker in the outer corner. And I'm taking it about halfway, almost to the center of the iris. Now you just fill in that line. Close enough. As I continue to work on it. Close enough. So that's basically it for the liner. Get it as close as you can. There's no perfection in life. That's fine. Now I'm gonna go in with a Prados Beauty brush and this like periwinkle color right here. Just load up the tip. I like this brush because I'm just tapping up the excess. It's still firm, but a little bit fluffy. And I'm just gonna go right on that inner corner and just pop that color right in there. I just think it's a really cool look. And I like it when it's a little bit darker. I don't wanna go too dark because that looks like a pretty like fair mid-tone color. When you're applying it to a place where you usually see brightness or when like most makeup, they're like, oh, highlight in the inner corner, and you go dark, it's the perfect color for it. And it works really nicely with that like grapey color of the NYX liner. To get the top and the bottom, since the brush is of a certain size, you just put it in there, shake it around a little bit, and that's all you need to do. But I like how you keep all of that rawness of the, like, just a naked skin next to a little bit of powder and a little bit of that liner. I just think it's a really cool look. What do you guys think? Now I'm gonna go in with Lash Princess by Essence. And I'm just gonna go, I already had a little bit of mascara on because I find that to be very, very boring to watch somebody put so much mascara on as much as I do. So just put a little bit on first. But just load up top and bottom. But lots of lash, lots of lash. Sweet Nothing by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna use for my lip line. I just throw it on a little bit above my lip line. In that center. A little bit in the outer corners. And then I just blur it with my finger because it's like a blurred lip line. Lola by Milk. Beautiful gloss. It's got really nice plumping. Finish your sentence, Courtney. This just has like a little bit of plum, so it kind of goes along with that color story that we're doing right here, right now on this day. That's it. So just a quick, cool, like graphic liner, a little bit of a nod to the 60s with a bit of like 80s colors. This is one of my go-to looks. I love like a cool liner look, and especially with that little bit of darkness right on the inner corners. Thank you guys so much for watching. I list all of the products that I use in the description box below. If you have any questions, reach out, let me know. If there's any other tutorials you'd like to see from me, let me know. And if you tried this, can I say it again? Yeah, let me know. Thanks again, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.